So this is it, guys. Diepkloof Square. It's big and busy. There's lots of people here.
I don't want to be on camera.
You don't want?
But yeah, it's a nice place.
Yes, you have dimming. There's also ESMK.
I see here there's nice houses here. There's a dog here. We'll be in trouble, guys.
At story 88.
Hello everyone. Hello guys. Hope you're all doing fine. Hope everything is going well on your side there. I'd like to welcome you to my channel, story 88. So today we're in Diepkloof Soweto. We just want to see what's happening in Diepkloof. Let's come along and just let's take this tour and see what Diepkloof has in store. So our goal is to go to Diepkloof Extension, but we'll start here at Diepkloof Square and just check out this shopping center and then pass through and go to the other side of Diepkloof Extension. So please guys, while you're watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and support this channel so that it can grow and be able to reach other people. Now this is it, guys. This is Diepkloof Square, but we'll just pass through because you see it's busy here, and yeah, we won't take time here or enter in any shop. Today it's busy. I think it's because of the month end and stuff. See the queues and lines going to the shops. So this is it, guys. Diepkloof Square. There's different shops there. There's bar, there's Pick and Pay, you see. There's also another butcher there, which is Roots. So it's big and busy. So I think Diepkloof is one of the populated townships here in Soweto. There's lots of people here. So it's nicely packed in a Friday afternoon. It's busy. People came here to just do some groceries, to withdraw money from the ATMs and enjoy the restaurants. Because there's different franchises here: KFC, McDonald's, Bishaway, Steers, Debonair's, Nando's, and so on. So there's a lot to do in Diepkloof Square. The shopping center is full. It's plenty of people here. So guys, this is it. It was just a sneak peek of Diepkloof Square. Just passing through. So I headed to Diepkloof Extension. Unjani? Unjani? So, ngicela ukubuza manje. Konje lana izone 1 le. Season 4.
Or 3.
Season 3 uhlala la Diepkloof. Or zone 4. Then the other side is season 1.
This is zone 4, so I'm not sure. Yeah.
Oh, that's the other
zone
side.
3, yeah.
Oh, okay. What's interesting that side? No, I'm okay. It was a cook class. Okay, YouTube,
What
just
is it
YouTube channel, YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Yeah,
for
just
what?
my YouTube channel, even personal YouTube channel, just to showcase anyway.
Oh. So I think you should ask somebody else, not me.
Yeah, Marana, just more than anything.
But yeah, it's a nice place.
It's a nice place, yeah.
You can get anything with Batambo.
Yeah.
Or when you look, say, number 4.
Yeah.
But one, those traditional foods. Yeah.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah.
Hayi ngibheke phambili asengiqhubeke nendlela.
Oh, okay.
Sharp, thank you ma.
All right.
Hey guys, we're still in they said this part is zone 4. It's Diepkloof zone 4. So that means let me find out from this guy over here. Show him do that. Hey, kunjani bro? Hey, thatha kwamangala. Hey, YouTube just.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna find out then is on 4. No?
Yeah, it's on.
Then his square is zone 1.
Should be zone 3.
Should be zone 3. You don't mind what come here. Just think I showcase like Diepkloof.
And
My
what's it?
YouTube. It's just YouTube. It's a YouTube channel. My YouTube channel.
Alright.
Yeah. Just showcasing Diepkloof itself.
No.
Yeah. Upodubane.
Siapa?
Sepa.
Yeah.
Okay, mkolisi.
Yes.
Sure. I just ufuna ubheka nje Diepkloof. Then ufuna find out what's interesting in Diepkloof.
I don't know in what sense. I think
Yeah, just nje likasi lidume ngani, what's happening. Nothing special but the normal life. Yeah. Maybe there are lots of special things in Diepkloof.
as for that.
Uningi sihlale sibheka nje la ku YouTube there's lots of
Umjayivo. What I can tell you, Mutinji, I know for a fact that there's a lot of sports up like
Okay.
night sports.
Okay.
The most popular ones are here.
The most popular one like Iminki.
There's
Iminki
E-Mink, yes, you have E-Mink.
Yeah.
And the E-Mink drive, there's E-Mink, Mink Lounge. You get those other ones down the road.
Yeah.
Then you get your Extreme Lounge. There's also ESNK. There's also Zone 6 venue. There's also Magubenjan. To mention the ones that I know of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that's
So-
interesting. Huh? Interesting. Plus, iphethe nesaba. I think it looks some bit floating and to me.
In terms of what?
Extension.
Oh, yes.
Diepkloof Extension.
Yeah.
Bara it's here.
Yeah.
Ne.
Yeah.
Yeah. Angiyabonga futhi isikhathi sakho.
Alright.
Shap. Asiso. Ola uyibheke le channel ngokuveza.
Ini.
Story 88.
Ini?
Story 88.
Ishangipezanga for now.
Thank you. Ola. Okay guys, let's continue with our walk here. We're in Diepkloof zone 4 and it's busy. Yeah, compared to the other parts of Soweto that I've showcased last time. Here it's a bit crowded, you can tell. Yeah, I showed you last time at Pimville, and also I showed you Protea North. So it was a bit quiet. But I think where we headed to, there are quite parts. So this is Kasi. This is Diepkloof. This is the location. This is the location, guys. So as you can see here, maybe you haven't been to Soweto or a township in South Africa. That's how it looks. It's not only this These townships found in Soweto or Joburg, but all over the country. The hoods are like this. Yeah. Yeah, very nice. There's tar roads, and people are living and enjoying themselves, enjoying their lives. Look. Hey guys, we're still in Diepkloof. Walking. Let's just check this street over here and see what's happening. I see here there's nice houses here. Very nice houses. I have to just find out what section is this, what's happening around here. If I can get someone to talk to. La, yes, I wish I had. I'm not. Yes, I'm going to put some man. Lana who says on band.
You are
Outside. Oh, just see. All right. Shop. Okay, the guy he doesn't stay around here, so maybe I'll ask other people as I'm continuing with that. Yes, Sambona, you tell. Sure. Yes, Sambona. Njalo. Ngicela ukubuza mama kusezonibani?
Multi extension no batla mo.
Hayi kuyathora.
Extension no batla zona.
O extension. Okay, extension.
O fela o ya ko.
Okay kwa ke Diepkloof Extension. O zone 4 ki yena. Okay. Ake YouTube channel.
Ke ma camera la.
Ufake okay. Kitaki. Oh, it's nice here. So we've entered the Diepkloof Extension. So they say from here until all the way down there. So that's where we're headed, guys. We just want to go and see what's happening there. But let's just go around the street. Just check it out. Okay, guys. And just showcasing the township life in South Africa. But here, where we're at now, we're in Diepkloof. We're at Diepkloof Extension. So it's very nice. We just want to showcase the everyday life of normal South Africans, because this you won't see on mainstream media. So nobody will showcase such footages that we're showing in this channel. So I hope you're enjoying, guys. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also share the video to your loved ones or close friends, so that they also may see what's happening in Soweto, Diepkloof Extension. Oh, nice houses here. Very impressive and stunning. So what I know about Diepkloof, which I'll still confirm, there's lots of famous people living, especially on this part of Diepkloof Extension. Well-known people in South Africa, business people, actors, politicians, so on and so forth. So it's pretty much of a very affluent area. Seems like the clouds are gathering. Maybe today we'll have rain. There's lots of chances of rain today. Oh, that's so nice here, stunning. Hey, there's a dog here. Let's hope we won't find any gates open. Hey, we'll be in trouble, guys. Go here. I've just asked. This is phase 1. So Diepkloof Extension, phase 1. So Diepkloof Extension is divided in phases. Phase 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure until which phase, but it's divided in phases. So that's the suburb. So this Diepkloof Extension is the suburb in Diepkloof. So the other part of Diepkloof is divided into zones. This is it. Okay, we're in phase 1. I think now we're crossing over to phase 2.